Hello, I'm Hamish Osborne and I work as a Natural Resource Management Team Leader for Natural Resources Wales. One of our team's most important jobs is to look after the bathing water quality around many beaches in southwest Wales. Wales has 104 designated bathing waters and we make sure that the water is clean and safe to bathe in each of these. This involves checking that the water is not polluted by farm effluent, sewage from septic tanks and sewers, and storm runoff from urban areas where dog or bird faeces can be washed into the sea by heavy rain. I think this is one of the most important parts of our job because we're safeguarding your health as well as the future of our coastal communities and Wales' reputation worldwide. To do this, we work closely with many organisations and people, including Do Cymru, Welsh Water and the councils, as well as farmers, beach owners, Surfers Against Sewage and Aberystwyth University, to name but a few. The work involves a lot of field work, taking samples, tracking down the pollution and persuading people to do the right thing and ensure that their homes are not connected to the wrong drain network. People are often horrified to find that their toilets and bathrooms can be wrongly connected to a stormwater sewer and that their sewage can end up on the beach rather than at one of Welsh Water's treatment works. In fact, making sure that your house is not disconnected is one of the most important things you can do to help ensure our bathing water is as clean as it can be. To check we've done our job right, we also take samples at each of the bathing water beaches several times a year. We have a team of samplers who wade out to a metre's depth in the sea and collect a sample of the bathing water, which is then sent to our lab in Swansea for analysis. You can look up the results online on our Bathing Water Explorer. Search for Bathing Water Wales to find our pages on the website.